and put it down. Have a think and walk around. You know what it's coming to. So what on earth you gonna do? You're taking care of everyone. Your shopping list is never done. First you have to clean the sky, then teach the cats to wonder why. You find the sweetest fit, then run away from it. You prove the greatest myth, then can't believe in it. No, first you smile and then you frown. You were up and now you're down. You made a plan that you could play. Now you're gonna flush it all away. You're stubborn like the day is long. You don't know how to not be strong. You're fickle like the night is deep. You sow your seeds but never reap. You find the sweetest fit, then run away from it. You prove the greatest myth, then can't believe in it. No. Have a think and walk around. You prove the greatest myth, so what on earth you gonna do? You find the sweetest fit, your shopping list is never done. You prove the greatest myth, then teach the cats to wonder why. I would never let you down. If you're the sky, then I'm your ground. I'll wipe the tears off from your eye. I'll listen to your reasons why. I'll make you laugh and make you sing. I'll bring you almost everything. And all you have to do for me is be yourself and always be. I am your sweetest fit. No need to run from it. I am your greatest myth. You'd better believe